Welcome back to science class. In the previous session, we have studied about the ancient units of measurement. Handspan, cubit, angul, foot pace. These are the different new words were used in the ancient time for the measurement. So why there was a need of standard unit of measurement? These all were creating because as we know, every body parts could be of slightly different sizes. This must have create confusion in measurement. So in 1790, the French created standard unit of measurement called the metric system. For the sake of uniformity, scientists all over the world have accepted a set of standard units of measurement. The system of units now used is known as the International System of Units, SI units. The SI unit of length is a meter. A meter scale also shown, which we are all using in our ruler, the 15 centimeter scale in your geometry box. Each meter is divided into 100 equal divisions and those are called centimeters, and each centimeter has 10 equal divisions and they are known as millimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. For measuring large distances, meter is not a convenient unit. So we define a larger unit of length. It is called kilometer. Now we can repeat all our measurement activities using a standard scale and measured in SI units. Before we do that, we do need to know the correct way of measuring the lengths and distances. Let's watch another video in which you will understand
Measuring different physical quantities is an integral part of all scientific methods. Even in our daily lives, we keep measuring the time.
Yes, we do see the time.
And amounts of different quantities. For instance, how long does it take you to reach school? What is the distance between your school and home? What quantity of milk do you consume every day? The answers to all these questions require measurements of time, distance, and volume respectively. In the past, different units of measurement were used in different parts of the world. For instance, in India, lengths of foot and hand were used for measuring lengths of objects. In the year 1960, the General Conference of Weights and Measures recommended single common and standard system of measurement to be used all over the world. This system is known as System A International Day Units, or simply SI system. The standard units in this system are meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere. Meter is the standard unit for measuring length and distance.
Make a note of it. Meter is the standard unit of length. Please make a note in your notebook.
Kilogram is the standard unit of measuring.
Kilogram is the standard unit of mass.
Mass. Second is the standard unit of time. Kelvin is for temperature. And ampere is for measuring electric current.
So you all this, please write it down in your notebook.
According to the conventions of SI system, the symbols named after a scientist's name must always be written in capital letters For example, capital K for Kelvin, capital A for ampere. On the other hand, symbols for other units must be written in small letters. For example, small s.
For your class, only this second, meter and kilogram is required. About this Kelvin and ampere, you will study in the higher sections.
For second, small m for meter, small kg for kilogram. Units must be written in plurals only when it is used in words. For example, 20 meters must be written as 20 m and not 20 ms. Use of these standard units has brought uniformity and accuracy in the field of measurement.
Okay, so all of you are clear that what are the standard unit of measurement and why we are using it. Multiples and submultiples of units for measurement. Just now I say that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So we can convert the meter to the centimeter and then centimeter to the millimeter. Now multiples and submultiples of units for measurement. It is just to make you understand, it is not there in your syllabus. Only the conversion of kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter and centimeter to millimeter is there in your syllabus. This is all extra information.
Based on the distance to be measured, we choose the unit of measurement. For measuring large distances, we use kilometer, while for small distances, we use centimeter as a unit of measuring length.
Clear? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 part of the 100 meter. That means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter.
You must be wondering which unit of length is used to measure the thickness of a coin. We use millimeter to measure very small lengths.
Yes, as just now I said that 1 centimeter is 10 mil. Let us perform an activity to know the procedure of measuring the thickness of a coin. It's a very interesting activity and all of you can do at your home. Measuring the thickness of a coin.
Let's see how we can measure the thickness of a coin using a measuring scale. For this, we require a wooden base, a measuring scale, and 20 identical coins, as measuring the thickness of one such coin will give inaccurate results. Place the coins one above the other on the wooden base. Measure the combined thickness of the stack of 20 coins with the help of measuring scale. Note the reading on the measuring scale. We can get the thickness of a single coin by dividing the total thickness of 20 coins by 20.
Okay. Sorry. You would have observed that how we have measured the thickness of the coin. What we did, we have taken the coins and arranged one on another. So what happened? It has become a stick. Now we have taken the ruler and measured the length of how many coins we have arranged. Suppose you have arranged 10, 20, 30, 40. How many you are arranging? Better to arrange 10 to 20 so that it will be easy for you to get the correct result, and by the short division method even. So you have arranged, then take a ruler, the 15 centimeter ruler which is present in your geometry box. Then measure the length of that stick. Suppose that length has come 3 centimeter. How many coins have you taken? Suppose you have taken 15 coins. Okay. So divide the 3 centimeter with the 15 and you will get the accurate length of the thickness of the coin. Okay.
For measuring very small distances or lengths, such as the size of a molecule, the units such as micron and angstrom are used.
Okay, it is not for your level, it is just for the extra information. So very small thing which we cannot see with our naked eyes. Yes, how can we measure the length and the width of those objects? So such for that, microns, angstroms, this all you will study in the higher section. Just a brief introduction. Here we are giving that this sort of the units we are using. Thank you and keep learning.